Nes I sefydlu Bodlon 2006 fel cwmni siop ar-lein. Dethon ni gyda'n gilydd, ni wedi bod yn gweithio gyda'n gilydd ers blynyddoedd mawr. Dethon ni gyda'n gilydd wedyn a agor cegin Bodlon union 2 flynedd yn ôl.
What we've done here is we're obviously running a retail operation under the Bodlon brand, and we have made our own sauces and dressings over the last few years. And coincidentally, the Capital Cuisine business produce chutneys, dressings and sauces for a wide range of trade, on-trade and hospitality customers. Pandemic has hit us quite hard in regard to sales, and the retail side of sales seems to have been growing. So we're really excited that we've brought out this new range of dressings, chutneys and sauces under the Bodlon brand, and we hope it's going to be a great success. You know, it seems to be selling very well already, and the unique part of that is that we use Bodlon rapeseed oil from North Wales, so that gives it a really nice Welsh feel, and it gives us a little bit of satisfaction that we're promoting Welsh food and drink whenever and wherever possible.
Wel, maen nhw ar gael ar y wefan. I ni hefyd yn defnyddio siopau trwy cyfryngau cymdeithasol, a hefyd ni'n cyfanwerthu siopau. Oherwydd y sefyllfa ar hyn o bryd, mae'n amlwg bod pobl yn fwy parod i siopa gartre ar-lein. Felly y gobaith yw fydd y cynnyrch yn llwyddiannus iawn. Byddwn ni'n cynnwys nhw mewn pamperi ar gyfer y Nadolig. Dyn ni ddim ar agor llawn amser fel o'n ni cyn y cyfnod yma. Ni'n gobeithio ni'n anelu tuag at oriau agor mwy normal fel bethau. Mae'r cynllun bwyta allan i helpu allan wedi bod o fydd i ni. Mi bydd mawr a gweud y gwir, achos ni wedi cael cwsmeriad newydd ni erioed wedi gweld o blaen. Croesi'n bethau, mae'n amser heriol iawn. Goroesi yw'r gair fi'n credu, mwy na dim.
We've had some great support from them in the webinars, and there's various workshops online, Zoom meetings that we've attended, and then we've had some great support from Caroline Hanna on the marketing, and then Neil Birchall has given us some retail advice, and then also we've had a little bit of help on the branding and the design of the labels. So it's been great.
Chwarae teg iddyn nhw, mae wedi dod ar amser pan oedd angen cymorth yn ei mwy nag eriod.
They can open your eyes and open up channels that you've missed, and sort of focus your energies a little bit, which is what we're trying to do with this new range.
Byddwn ni'n argymell unrhyw cynhyrchwyr, boed yn fach neu'n fawr, i ymuno â Cywain, achos mae bendant o fydd i chi.